These niggas go at it with each other. It's just a little preview of what's going down.
Get this motherfucking ass beat, nigga. April 15, tell any motherfucking nigga in the city come fuck with me, nigga. Bet that.
Just a little preview.
Beat it.
Just a little preview, April 15th. Y'all come fuck with us.